Thank you, sir. I now request Professor Sachin Kulkarni, sir, to kindly introduce our chief guest.
Good morning, everyone. It is indeed my honor and pleasure to introduce such a distinguished and revered personality, Professor Dr. Priyaranjan Trivedi ji, a world-renowned environmental scientist, institutional builder, and a management thinker, and Chancellor of Indira Gandhi Technological and Medical Sciences University, Zairo, Arunachal Pradesh. Professor Trivedi holds a bachelor's, master's and a doctoral qualifications in engineering, management, human rights and environmental laws. Dr. Trivedi has established more than 200 institutions all over the world. He has helped government of many countries in establishment of universities, colleges and schools for teaching and research of disaster mitigation and management, environment, human rights, peace studies, sustainable development, ecological tourism, rural as well as urban entrepreneurship. Dr. Trivedi is the only person of his type having excelled in the new and emerging area of neology and neocracy for his passion for involving new doctrines for solving different problems of the world in general and of India in particular. Dr. Priyaranjan Trivedi ji is the first person to have launched the postgraduate level distance learning program in the area of ecology and environment. After signing a MOU with more than 35 universities and public sector organizations in India and other countries, he has been able to place the alumnus of his institutions all over the world at the top positions. Viewing the outstanding contribution of Dr. Priyaranjan Trivedi ji in the area of institution building, especially in the tertiary education level, he kept on getting red carpet welcome from many countries for helping them, especially for implementing his slogan, "Be a job giver, not a job seeker." He visited countries like United Kingdom, United States of America, the Netherlands, Italy, Spain, Mongolia, Sri Lanka, Maldives, Mauritius, Uganda, Ethiopia, Zambia, Nepal, South Korea, Oman, UAE, Monaco, France, Poland and Russia for organizing global level conferences and for establishing institutions of national as well as international importance. 3 encyclopedias have been authored by him on environment, 30 volumes, disaster management, 20 volumes, and sustainable development, 50 volumes. Being motivated by United Nations Conference on Environment and Development in 1972, Professor Priyaranjan Trivedi ji gave the slogan, "Catch them young," to the world citizenry in the year 1980. It is a great pleasure to welcome you, sir. Thank you.